I've made it to Manchester. I'm walking down a very quiet street because anything to avoid the hustle and bustle. I think the markets are on, really busy, but I'm going to quickly have a look around the shops and then head to my hotel. I've arrived, I'm in my room. Manchester was so busy because the Christmas markets are on and I just forgot. And as soon as 3 o'clock came, that was the time I could check in. I was like, get me to the hotel. This was a very nice surprise. I thought I'd booked a like standard normal room. I have a little lounge area. I have a kitchen. I have another chair just in case this one isn't good enough. So I'm pretty happy. This, I mean, look at that bed. That is ridiculous just for me.
Welcome to another day in the place.
I'm not running late, but I feel like I'm running behind. That's what I'm telling myself to kind of stay calm in the situation. I have my outfit on, I've done some makeup, and I just need to sort my hair out. That's the last thing I need to do. Not forgetting my pre-drinks this evening. My cup of tea. I'm ready for the event. I've stuck with the outfit that I brought just because this is what I feel most comfortable in. And I'm gonna see how much vlogging I do. I always get a little bit nervous around other people. Obviously, well, not obviously, but I'm not really gonna know anyone there. So the likelihood of me getting this out and starting to vlog like this is very slim. You can probably feel my like, not nervous, but excited energy. I'm gonna hone in on the fact that this is excitement. Out of my comfort zone, massively out of my comfort zone, but it feels good. Anyway, my Uber has arrived, so I better go. It is 9:30. I'm about to head into town because I've got a yoga class at 10 and it's 75 minutes, so I'm really looking forward to it and just being able to lie in Shavasana. And then after that, I'm going to probably 200 Degrees, a little coffee shop, because I really want to plan my events this month. So I've got a restorative yoga class that I'm leading on Tuesday, and then I've got my workshop as well, which I'm really looking forward to. That is on the 14th. So I'm just going to do a bit of planning for those and then I come home and relax for the afternoon. So I thought I'd bring you along with me. Might attempt to do a little bit of shopping, but I'm going to see how busy it is because it's at that time of year where shopping is just not the best idea. So let's see how we get on. I feel like this vlog is just chaotic energy. We started off in Manchester, then there's a couple of clips in between, I think. Now we're here, it's Saturday afternoon, and I had a nice time in town. I was just editing and doing some bits for my workshop and on my yoga class that's coming up. And now I realised I haven't really eaten much today. I had a mince pie with a coffee at the coffee shop, but I haven't had any lunch. So I'm gonna rustle up like a toasty, but I'm gonna add some tofu. So I just thought I'd show you. I just thought I'd bring you along. While I was in town, after I went to the coffee shop and I'd been to like the yoga class and stuff, I went to Holland & Barrett and they had my favourite protein, This is called Form, and this stuff is the best protein. It tastes so good, and there's not as many ingredients as some of the others, so it kind of doesn't make me feel as bloated, because I was using some of them and I was like, these are not making me feel good, but that one really does. So I'm going to be making protein pancakes this week with that. The more I'm speaking about food, the hungrier I'm getting, so you're more than likely now about to see a montage of me making said toasty. And this is why I would never be a food vlogger. I've basically made like little finger toasties, which I'm not mad about. So I'm gonna eat these, and I think I'm gonna put on a Christmas film. I've been looking for like a new series to watch. Obviously with Joe not being here, I feel like it's nice for me to have something in the evenings to just know that I'm gonna watch. I mean, the evenings feel like they're hours and hours long, so it's just nice to have like an hour of just watching something and really kind of getting into it. So I'm either going to try and find a new series so I can do that, or watch a film, I don't know. Again, we will see. One of my all-time favourite wholesome films, Stuart Little, is now available on Netflix, so I'm going to edit this vlog while watching that. I cannot wait. Like, that is the best surprise I've had all day. Thank you for watching. The next video, I think I'm going to do a book review, so everything that I've read within like the wellness and personal development, healing, all that kind of stuff, all those sorts of books that I've read this year, I'm going to do a big review and share my favourites with you. So yeah, I think that'll be my next video, and I will see you all soon.